So this week in our weekly watch list, we've got 5 great companies we want to just look over. First of all, we've got NEO. NEO have got earnings on March 2nd, and they're expected to increase their revenue to around 6.71 billion, which is about 50% higher than last earnings. They have price targets increased by many people, with an average price target of $71.23. The highest price target that we could currently find is $100. So this is a great company to be looking at with their earnings. Everyone knows about NEO at the moment, and they seem that they've got a great long-term prospects, and at the price that they currently are, I think that they could be a great long-term buy.
Second company that we've got is Johnson & Johnson. Most people know Johnson & Johnson as being the good long-term dividend aristocrat company, as they've been 49 years without missing a dividend payment. The reason we've got them on the watch list this week is the FDA have recently issued them an emergency authorization for their vaccine shot, which is a single shot compared to Moderna and the Pfizer double jab. They've planned to ship out 3 to 4 million doses this week, now that they've obviously had the official word from the FDA, and plan on supplying over 100 million doses by June 2021. We've got them on the watch list just because we think it could be a catalyst, but with the size of the company, we don't believe it's going to be a catalyst, more much of a catalyst. But it's good news, and we've basically had such a bad week in the market, and we just think it's a good thing for J&J at the time.
So next on the watch list at number 3 is Cerebain Biotech. This company has been on our page quite a bit. They are a penny stock. They've taken a big beating recently, probably mostly due to the market being down, and penny stocks are feeling it the most. But they have had latest updates from CEOs saying that they have invested 950k into their acquisition of PKG. PKG are rumoured to be bringing in about $40 million worth of revenue. So we think that they deserve to be on this list still. Long term, they might have great prospects too, with possible FDA approval, and they've got trials coming up. So even though they have taken this big hit from 43 cents down to about 12 cents, the fundamentals of this company has not changed, and the positions that we have are currently going to be held.
Number 4 on the list is Tesla. Obviously, everybody knows who Tesla are, the EV company, and a lot more than an EV company. The reason we've got them on the watch list this week is, again, like I said before, we've had a bad week in the market. Tesla is down 23% in the last month. We think it's presenting a really nice buying opportunity. Currently $672 a share, with past its had highs of over $880 per share. When the market returns to normal, we can see Tesla easily getting back up to these highs and possibly even touching above $1,000 a share. That's why we've got it on the week.
So the last one that we're going to be looking at is a SPAC, ACIC. They have announced that they've got a merger with Archer. Archer are labelled to be the Uber of air travel to some sense. They have got some competitors in this market, even though it's very, very brand new, and it looks like there's going to be a lot of growth over the next decade. The competitor could be Joby Aviation. They've recently undergone an acquisition as well, and that has valued this company around $6.6 billion. In terms of Archer and ACIC, the deal that is going to take them public will value them about $3.8 billion. So you can see about where they stand in the market. But Kathy Wood at ARK Invest has been eating this up. She's been buying. She's recently just bought some more, as our research shows. So a lot of people like to take her trades as very high potential stocks, because she's been very heavily involved in some of these disruptive, innovative companies. And it's definitely been put on as one to watch. Any more thoughts on this week?
So remember guys, this obviously isn't full DD on companies. We're literally just putting off a few that we've got our eyes on for you guys to potentially check out yourselves. Just wanted
so definitely as this week has, over the last 2 weeks, it has been a very red market. No one quite knows where we stand at the moment. This week will be a very telling time. If it falls further, then we could possibly see that there might be a pullback / correction in the market. We'll hopefully don't see that market crash, because especially in the government, they've just announced a 1.9 trillion COVID relief pack, so that might see some injection into the market and some reversal. But definitely be cautious this week. Don't be complacent. Make sure you do your own research and make sure that what you invest in is for you. So on that note, we're just going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.